my first pet was a cat, and my parents couldn't figure out why I was so sickly because I'm freaking allergic to them. They are like kryptonite to me.
I'm very sorry for you.
I don't know. They're cute, but I can't do it.
That's horrible.
Mustang was killed today by a small cat. I know Alphonse's cat.
Alphonse's chest is making me itch. What? You need my loincloth. I didn't need to do that.
You did anyway.
The shows that you've actually done, do you actually keep up with them by like actually watching them beforehand or reading the manga that's related to them?
It depends on the show. Mushishi I watched front to back, Fullmetal Alchemist front to back. If you're a lead in this show and you don't have, I mean, because it's a big time investment to try and get in like 26, 52 episodes before like, you know, within a week, you're going to see it anyway as you go along. So, not really. If it's great, if it's a really good show, I'm interested in watching it afterwards, but we do a lot of shows and we don't have that much time. Plus, when you record like 10 to 6 in a day, you don't really want to spend like 7 to 9 watching more anime. You're like, God, enough with the anime. So,
Recovery time, huh?
yeah.
Gotcha. One final question.
Yeah.
Other people want to this microphone. Would you like a pretzel?
No. No offense, I just had a bacon cheeseburger. I'm full. But then,
Yeah. I could really go for some fruit right now. I've been surviving off of a fruit breakfast. I'm ready to just collapse right now.
yes, you've been so. You're also about to explode.